Imagine you're a creative professional working on a high-stakes project with strict deadlines, and your laptop is the linchpin holding everything together. But as you frantically try to meet your client's demands, you realize your trusty old laptop is struggling to keep up. You're constantly waiting for files to load, editing software to launch, or your graphics card to render the most basic of animations. And to make matters worse, your battery life is nothing more than a distant memory. Well, I've got some great news for you. That era is coming to an end. Thanks to the latest advancements in technology, you can have powerful devices that are as much a pleasure to use as they are productive. Today, we're reviewing a flagship product that redefines the very idea of a portable laptop, Apple's 2023 MacBook Air. Now you might be thinking, why Apple? The answer lies in the way they address the fundamental issues plaguing the laptop industry for far too long. You see, most modern laptops fall into a predictable pattern: sleek designs, mediocre processors, underwhelming storage, and laughable battery life. But not Apple's MacBook Air. Designed to tackle your most challenging tasks with unwavering ease, this beast of a laptop boasts an array of powerful features designed specifically to keep you in front of the curve. And to start, let's talk about its stunning design. Measuring 13.6 inches by 8.4 inches, with a mere thickness of 0.16 inches, this laptop is the epitome of portability. Crafted from 100% recycled aluminum, the durability of this device is unmatched. What really sets the MacBook Air apart, however, is its display. Measuring a generous 15.3 inches and backed by Apple's renowned Liquid Retina technology, this stunning panel delivers visuals that are at once mesmerizing and lifelike. From the vibrant colors to the razor-sharp text, every detail comes to life before your very eyes. Perfect for creatives, this breathtaking display elevates your work from mere adequacy to pure artistry. Now, you might be wondering how this level of performance is achieved without compromising on battery life. Well, that credit goes to the brain at the heart of this masterpiece, Apple's latest M2 chip. This powerhouse of a processor boasts 8 CPU cores and 10 GPU cores that deliver unparalleled efficiency and speed. Paired with up to 24 gigabytes of RAM, even the most demanding tasks feel a mere formality. But don't just take Apple's word for it. This chip's prowess is truly a marvel to witness. With a massive 18-hour battery life, this laptop can accompany you through even your most hectic days without batting an eyelid. Whether you're editing videos, crunching through vast datasets, or creating mind-boggling 3D models, the sheer power of the M2 chip ensures that your MacBook Air remains at the forefront of productivity. To put it through its paces, let's go through some real-world scenarios. Imagine working as a video editor, tasked with crafting an epic montage for your client's ad campaign. You've got a sea of footage, hours of audio tracks, and an endless array of color corrections to perform. Sounds daunting, I know, but with the MacBook Air, you'll breeze through your tasks like a pro. With lightning-fast loading times and seamless transitions, you'll spend more time creating and less time twiddling your thumbs waiting for your software to catch up. When you take your MacBook Air on the go, there's a new world of collaboration waiting for you. With seamless integration with your iPhone and iPad, you're not just limited to your Mac ecosystem anymore. You can now effortlessly share and receive files or join sessions with colleagues in real time, right from your laptop's touch bar. Now that we've seen the MacBook Air in action, let's weigh the pros against the cons. On the plus side is its unyielding performance, razor-sharp display, and generous battery life, perfect for creatives and power users on the go. However, with all that power comes a price tag that's, shall we say, a little north of modest. But let's face it, when you're paying for the best, you're getting some of the best. If you factor in the value you'll save on energy costs, extended lifespan due to high-quality construction, and Apple's seamless software integration, this device quickly makes financial sense. But what about the competition, you wonder? The likes of Dell's XPS and HP's Envy series, for instance. While these laptops may come close in terms of features, their performance ultimately falls short of Apple's offering. The XPS's stunning display aside, it can't quite match the M2 chip's speed and efficiency. And as for the NV series, their processors can't quite match the sheer muscle of Apple's latest chip. So, after taking all this into consideration, the question remains, is the MacBook Air worth a spot at the top of your shopping list? Well, if you're looking for a laptop that embodies the very essence of innovation and offers you nothing short of a superior user experience, then the answer is a resounding yes. For professionals and creatives in high-demand environments, Apple's 2023 MacBook Air is more than just a necessary upgrade. It's a game changer. And that's exactly why I'd confidently recommend it to anyone seeking the best. So don't wait any longer to elevate your work to new heights. Get your hands on this incredible laptop today.